Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can use WordPress with Claude Code AI. We'll look at what you can actually build with it and what the real possibilities are. So let's get started. So first thing first, if you don't know what is WordPress, WordPress is basically no-code platform where you can build a website without any coding. You have to just drag and drop and you can build website using it. The second thing, which is Claude AI. If you don't know Claude AI and Claude Code. Claude Code is basically AI where you can explain in plain English and generate code using it and build whatever you want to build. For example, let's say if I want to build a website using WordPress, so I don't want to drag and drop as well. So I can tell Claude AI and it will build. So if you get the understanding of these two products, then let's get started. So first thing, I have the desktop version of Claude Code. To access Claude AI, you have to just simply go to this URL, claude.ai, where you have to sign up with your Google account. Right now, I have a pro plan. You can use this in a free plan as well, but it gives you a lot of less tokens. So if you have a pro version or if you can buy the pro version, you can consider to buy. Now, this is the Claude desktop Claude Code. On the top, you will see there is a home and code option. In the home option, you can use this Claude AI as for a general purposes, but for the code, you can use to generate code or to build anything. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you have to connect WordPress with the Claude. How you can do that? Using MCP. To connect WordPress, you have to just simply click on this plus icon, then you have to go to connectors, and then you have to go to browse connectors. Now, from here, you can basically connect different applications with this AI. You can connect Gmail, Slack, Google Calendar, and these kind of different applications. Now, what we need to search for is WordPress. And now, right now, I have already connected. Now here you will see, let me just disconnect to show you how to connect it. Now you will see the connect button is showing. You have to just simply click on the connect button and it will take you to this new web page. You have to sign up with your account of WordPress. So this is my account and I will just simply click on this connect button and so it got connected. Let me just go and let's see whether it is connected or not. There we go. To see what MCPs you have, you can go to connectors or hover on connectors. You will see there are different, MCP is connected. So this is WordPress and these are the different MCPs which I have connected. You don't need to connect these MCPs. Now we have connected WordPress. So just to check whether we have connected or not, I will just ask this AI a simple question that, hey, can you access my WordPress? It will go and see whether the MCP is connected. On one more thing, if you connected, if you haven't enabled your MCP in your WordPress, what you need to do is it will give you the MCP a link if it is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you don't need to worry about. But if the Claude AI gives you the link of turning on the MCP, you have to just follow the procedure. So I have already connected, so I don't need to go back and enable the MCP. So yeah, there we go. Yes, I have a WordPress.com tool connected. Let me check what site you have access. So this is the Locket sort blog, and this is the URL of the website where basically open in default browser and open in app. Let me just done with. So what is open in app is basically you can open whatever website you have in directly in Claude. So this is my website, I guess. Let me just click on the start website. So yeah, this is the WordPress, which earlier I just to see what things I can do is I have connected with this. Let me just go back into my WordPress.com and okay, I'm in my WordPress dashboard where you can see this is my home page. If you want to see the dashboard, you can see it. What you can do with this is one of the best use cases which I like is you can create customized theme for yourself. Right now you can see there are some pre-made themes are available and this is the theme which I have activated for myself as well. You can see here, let me just start a website. So this is my website. When I click on this customize site, it will take me to the editor where I can basically edit this selected theme. So with the Claude Code, you can create theme. Right now, I don't have any website over here. You can say, let's say, if I say Claude Code to create a form, it will create. So before that, this is the theme page where you can create theme for yourself, or basically if you want to sell to someone, you can create using Claude Code. I will not go into creating a specific thing. If a specific video you want, you can just comment it down below. I will create tutorial for that, how to create a theme for yourself. The next thing which you can create with the Claude Code for WordPress is plugins. And this is one of the best thing which I like about is because you can sell the plugins. Right now I'm on the free plan, that's why I cannot create plugins and upload. But if you have a plan, if you are considering to sell plugins, what you can do is you can create a plugin, or if you want these plugin for free, you can basically re-engineer these kind of plugins into Claude Code as well. So that's what you can do with this plugins, sorry, with the Claude Code. Yeah, the next thing what you can do is you can build a website directly from the Claude Code. For example, let's suppose create a basic for me in WordPress. Make sure the design is good. So right now I'm using the Opus 4.8 model, and these are the four models which you can use. In a paid version you get Opus 4.8, but if you are using free version you will get Sonnet 5, which is also a great model to build anything, but I prefer to use Opus 4.8 to build anything. Now I have given just 2 or 3 lines, and it's basically telling me that I will create a well-designed form page. Let me first pull your theme and design tokens of form map. So it's pulling the tokens right now, and it's using the tools. You can see the WordPress using site editor context, and it is fetching all of that. Let's wait till he builds us a form. Now it has generated us a form. Let me just go to preview. It's asking me to log in, but this admin panel, checking my browser, I have to log in with my account. So what I will do, I will just go back to my WordPress. Now you can see it has generated us this contact and get in touch form where he has entered the name. Now one of the things what you can do is you can directly change things from here. Like if you don't like the blocks or those things, you can change it from the Claude AI browser. So that's what you can do. Let's say if I want to change or add extra things like animation, let's say add animation to my form, it will do that as well. So it basically does everything. You have to just navigate him, you have to put your logic in it, so it will create a lot of great things. So I'm personally building website with him, so it's great. So if you want to build website without doing any hustling for your business or anything, you can build using Claude Code. It's very simple. It's just like you are using a WhatsApp or it's just like you are giving instruction to your developer through WhatsApp. It's just simple as that. And he's doing his job. He's not acting anything. He's not giving you excuses. He just does his work. So that's the advantage of it, using Claude AI to build anything. So in just 2 minutes he built me this form. Just imagine if you spend 1 hour or 2 hours, how much you can build with it. So yeah, that's what you can do with the Claude AI connecting with the WordPress. Let's see what kind of animation he create for herself. So I guess he's not able to create, you can say, custom CSS. It's blocking because it's only available in the paid version. Required a premium explorer plan or higher to unlock the custom CSS. But what he can do is create some pre-built animation which is given in the WordPress, and as well as button hover. So this is what he can do. So you can basically ask him as well what I can do with the free plan as well. So now once whatever you want to build, you can publish as well from here. So just simply click on this publish button from this top right corner and then click on this publish. It will start publishing your website from the Claude AI. So you don't need to open WordPress as well. So let me just test how it looks like. There we go. Hold on, I guess I haven't copied this link correctly. Let me just copy it, or you can just simply click on this view page button, and yeah, there we go. We have access of our page. You can build basically database as well if you want with the Claude Code. You have to just give an instruction. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you like this information and found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.